Beitong is famous on focusing on game controller and peripherals to enhance gamers' experience. Today we are going to review Beitong Asura 2 Pro controller gaming pad that will amaze you. Before we move ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos. In the box you will get Asura 2 Pro controller, wireless receiver, USB Type-C charging cable, thumbstick protection rings, user manual and warranty card. The Beitong Asura 2 Pro controller is pretty and slippery that you will like it. The small raised lines grip texture will provide you better grip on the controller. The A, B, X, Y, E buttons are solid and make you easy to play, and the tiny start, shift, turbo, and back buttons will also like by you. The bumpers are decent and the triggers work so easy to play a game. Asura 2 Pro controller upgraded with Hall linear trigger button to enhance the electromagnetic signal to improve better touch impression and better gaming experience. Accuracy and pressing feel is smoother and more comfortable. The game handle adopts an asymmetric box architecture, which can adapt to most types of game control needs. The buttons adopt a retro transparent round key design, which is comfortable to press and has a short keystroke and quick response. The Beitong Asura 2 Pro has a total of 2 joysticks on the left and right. The layout is very reasonable, and when held in both hands, the 2 thumbs can basically cover all the buttons. Asura 2 Pro has added M1 and M2 macro programmed with highly customized of keys function to take ultimate skill and saved profile. Up to 30 actions could be saved and also make gamers to play more easily and have more fun in game. Asura 2 Pro operated on the PC and found the wireless receiver using the 2.4G chip can be quickly connected. Asymmetrical double vibration motors are also equipped on both sides of the handshake area, and multi-level vibration can be achieved. Beitong Asura 2 Pro also has RGB lighting, and it can also customize the lighting mode according to personal preferences. Beitong Asura 2 Pro comes with wireless game controller, 30 feet wireless connectivity range, stable signal, Windows 7 and later without installing the driver. Beitong Asura 2 Pro game handle shell is upgraded with laser texture handle anti-slip light matte material, which is not easy to leave handprints and sweat stains. Beitong Asura 2 Pro comes with 6600 mAh large capacity lithium battery that is rechargeable. The game handler uses the most commonly USB charging port to charge the game controller to plug and play with no latency. The Beitong Asura 2 Pro actually uses an esports level Hall trigger, which is more outstanding than the traditional physical connection rod trigger structure performance. The pressing accuracy level and reaction speed is 2 completely different feelings in the game experience. Beitong Asura 2 Pro come with full of materials in terms of hardware and software experience, especially cross-platform intelligent recognition can be said to be very convenient. So this is all about the Beitong Asura 2 Pro. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description, go get yours. Before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.